Join the students. This is chapter 2 for class 10th history and the chapter is nationalism in India. I had already told you about the nationalism in India in my previous lecture, starting that Mahatma Gandhi come in India and he took a big leadership role as to including much more people on a point as to being fight against British rule from India. So in an earlier textbook you had read about the growth of nationalism in India up to first decade of the 20th century. It's mean during when 20th century was passing uh, and the First World War was finished. First World War was finished in 1918. Uh, in this chapter, we will pick up the story from the 1920 and study the non-cooperation and civil disobedience movement. We will explore how the Congress sought to develop the nationalism movement, how different social group participates in the movement, and how nationalism chaptered the imagination of the pupils. So in this our video lecture we will learn about all these things, that how Congress included in the movement and so many other type of group were also merged in Congress as to give a big support to Congress in the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. Here is the topic: the First World War, Khilafat and non-cooperation. So, after finishing the First World War, uh, in 1919, we see the nationalism movement spreading in new area, incorporating new social groups and developing new modes of struggle. How do we understand that the developments, what implications did they have? So in First World War, Britishers says that if Indians will support the Britishers as in uh, manpower, as in uh, money power, as in uh, other supports, they will give liberty to India. But they don't do so. So after First World War, the movement of independence was started once again in a strong manner as to refuse the British power from India. The first of all, the wars created a new economical and political situation. It led a huge increase of different expenditure which was financed by war loan and increases taxes. Due to this war, the tax burden was increases as in India, as to took all these money from India as for war purposes. So custom duties were raised and income was introduced there through the war year prices increased double between 1913 to 1918. Prices become much more higher, leading to extreme hardships for the common people. It become very hard time for a common people, because common people was suffering by so many crises, and value of goods was just being doubled or more than doubled.